Hi, dear all students. How are you all? I hope all are connected every day for online learning through these videos we uploaded on YouTube. In our science third lesson, natural resources, we from previous part learning about soil. How soil surrounding to us is available in different types, how it's useful to our daily life for various purpose. In the last video we already learned that how soil is useful in our day to day's life for different purpose, and I hope you also wrote what I told you about by your own way. I said you in a last video about that to write down more uses of soil you saw in your surrounding. I hope you wrote that. See now student, in today's video we are going to learn more deep about some useful types of soil. The page in your textbook you can observe student, pictures are a lot of there but not downloaded here properly. You saw there that pictures, or you now imagine. First useful type of soil available in surrounding nature is everywhere not the same soil student. We in a previous video also discussed a lot. A farm soil is different, a ground soil is different, colors are different under the plain level. Also the soil structure are different. See the first type here, China clay. China clay, चिकन माती ज्याला आपण म्हणतो मराठीमध्ये केओलिन. Don't afraid student, due to coronavirus this China name, that clay name is that is a type of soil. We can't stop to use that. But definitely student, subject from my side is open about China. Really it's time to ban the product. What do you feel? Is it necessary? Yes, because this current crisis is happened because of that place, that country, those thoughts, those their behavior really harmful to whole world, and we all are suffering, and now it's come very closer to us. Which purpose? We really afraid of this word student. But here we are learning as a type of soil. It is white in color. It is used to make crockery, bathroom tiles, tanks, laboratory apparatus, mask, jars, etc. See student, this China clay is a very soft and white in color powder that is used in a production area almost. At home crockery. Crockery means what student? For drink purpose, tea, coffee, this we are taking. For that we are using crockery. कप बशा ज्याला आपण म्हणू शकतो, चहा पिण्यासाठी आपण वापरतो. बरीचशी चिनी मातीची भांडी, फॉर एक्झाम्पल पिकल ठेवण्यासाठी, लोणचं ठेवण्यासाठी मम्मी वापरणारी बरणी, पॉट्स, लॉट ऑफ डेकोरेटिव्ह मटेरियल्स, पॉट्स, कुंड्या, झाडं लावण्यासाठी वापरणाऱ्या कुंड्या, शो प्रोडक्ट, लॉट ऑफ शो प्रोडक्ट, शोच्या वस्तू ज्या आपण शोकेसमध्ये ठेवतो, त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे स्कल्पचर, वेगवेगळे डिझायनेबल फ्लॉवर पॉट, लॉट ऑफ अशा शोभेच्या वस्तू ज्याला आपण म्हणू, are made with this china clay. बाथरूम टाईल्स, बाथरूममध्ये, वॉशरूममध्ये, किचनमध्ये ज्यावरती भिंतीला लावलेल्या टाईल्स असतात, लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स दॅट टाईल्स आर प्रिपेअर विथ द चायना क्ले. देन टँक्स, पाण्याच्या टाक्या, लॅबोरेटरी प्रोडक्ट्स, ॲपरेटस, लॅबमध्ये, सायन्स लॅबमध्ये वापरण्यात येणाऱ्या वस्तू, त्या बऱ्याच वस्तू या चायना क्लेपासून बनतात. मास्क, जार्स, this type varieties of product are made with this kaolin or this china clay. Then second one is a shadu clay, shaduchi mati. It is whitish in color. It is used for making statues and idols. See student, lot of statues you can see in a market available. बऱ्याचशा मूर्त्या आपण बाजारामध्ये उपलब्ध असलेल्या पाहतो. गणपतीच्या दिवसामध्ये गणेशाची मूर्ती, नवरात्रामध्ये देवीच्या मूर्ती, अजून वेगवेगळ्या व्हरायटीजचे स्कल्पचर्स, वेगवेगळ्या सणांसाठी बनवलेले. दॅट ऑल आर प्रिपेअर विथ शाडू सॉईल, शाडूची माती, जी नॅचरल रिसोर्स. इट इज अवेलेबल व्हेरी इझिली सराउंडिंग टू अस, and it when dissolve in water in a very proper way, and that get mixed well in a water, and less harmful. If we not use chemicals, colors, then it is very less harmful to us. तर शाडूच्या मूर्तींना आपण प्रेफरन्स द्यायला हवा. Then third one type is here terracotta soil. This soil is red in color. Decorative articles and pots used for growing plants are made from this soil. सो झाडं लावण्यासाठी ज्या कुंड्या बनवल्या जातात, बऱ्या वेळेला तुम्ही त्या लाल रंगाच्या बघत असाल, रेड कलर्स. दॅट टाईप ऑफ सॉईल टू प्रिपेअर दॅट इज टेराकोटा सॉईल. लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स नियर बाय रोड साईड यू कॅन सी स्टुडंट द सेलर ऑफ दिस थिंग्स, चायना मटेरियल और टेराकोटा सॉईल मटेरियल. दिवाळीच्या वेळेला पणत्या आपण वापरतो, झाडं लावण्यासाठी ज्या कुंड्या वापरतो, लाल रंगाच्या मातीपासनं त्या बनलेल्या असतात. सो दॅट सॉईल टाईप नेम इज टेराकोटा सॉईल. अजूनही बऱ्याचशा वस्तू या मातीपासनं बनतात. देन नेक्स्ट इज मुलतानी सॉईल, मुलतानी माती. दिस सॉईल इज यूज्ड इन कॉस्मेटिक्स. दिस one of the beauty product student to make our face more glow, to reduce dust from our face. This multani soil layers are applied on face, and as well as this soil is added into lot of cosmetic face packs are prepared, lot of beauty products, both for men and women or for all age group. This multani soil is very natural product to give glow to your face or body parts, and that is a good one product. So varieties of use of these soils are there, and these extra uses of this soil in our life we saw. This previous video we saw the compulsory use of that soil is for farming, for plants growing, for holding water, and that for making production area. Here also we saw today more types of soil, and you also, in spite of this type, may you saw more other types of the soil which are very useful in various areas. That may be production area, that may be construction area, that may be our day-to-day life area. Anywhere you can see the use of soil is there. Now by this scientific view, please student observe your surrounding and write about that points where you saw the soil use. And in your life in future, as a part of your career view also, student, you can see toward this different lifestyle which is related to the soil. मातीवर काम करणाऱ्या बऱ्याच संस्था, मातीशी रिलेटेड काम करणारे बरेच कोर्सेस तुम्हाला शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रात सुद्धा अवेलेबल आहे, ज्यामध्ये तुम्ही तुमचं करिअर घडवू शकतात. सो दॅट व्ह्यू ऑल्सो यू कॅन कीप इन माइंड इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस साइड ऑल्सो. दॅट मे बी रिलेटेड टू बिझनेस, दॅट मे बी रिलेटेड टू जॉब, that may be related to the officer places, lot of. So view according to that also, student, the different areas of soil. Now as a today's homework, dear all of you write down these 4 types of soil as it is in your notebook as a short note, because it's a very important part of lesson as a short note. I hope all of you are enjoying my teaching way, my explanation way. I'm trying to give my level best to reach out you, to relate you with the science subject. And please remain in touch with video, remain update, listen video carefully each video, subscribe channel as early as possible. Hope so. We are visiting this one way communication, student, just I'm speaking, but now till this corona crisis is there, we will try to visit each other not in real life but on the mobile screen through various meetings. Maybe within a few days we'll try to visit you through Zoom or other app. We are trying to reach out with you, so I'm eager to visit you once again this year also, face to face communication, so I can listen your side, what your more demands from me as a teacher, and a lot I want to speak, dear all, with you. So hope we visit as early as possible, and hope so we really come to school and attend your class lectures, our class lectures, and live our previous life once again. So pray for that to God. So student, take care, be safe. Next video we learn more about soil. Till that time, take care, have a nice day. Thank you, bye bye.